This video is about what makes your videos viral, and there are a number of aspects that does that. One of those is if you have, or let's say, a famous people in this video, obviously it helps. Another aspect could be proper timing. If, let's say, I'm filming the parade, and if I post the video of the parade months and days, months, years later, no one cares about it. But if I post it right away or live, then it's becomes more viral. Obviously, if the event is quite popular, like a big parade, something like Thanksgiving and Macy's parade, millions of people want to watch it. Obviously, the chances that that video become viral is much higher than if I'm filming about something no one cares, no one knows. So subject also matters. Plus, it has to be kind of make you smile, make you laugh, make you cry. So it has to be emotion. Sometimes it's luck, sometimes it's really good keywords and nice tagging, and it could be really professional done, or it could be just very accidentally, luckily filmed when something happens. If I miss some points, please comment and let me know, and I will re-record a better version or add to this one additional information. Thank you so much.